Hey, somebody actually built a better mousetrap. How about that? I always heard that when I was a kid, build a better mousetrap. But anyway, this is the Trazon Humane Mousetraps. Humane Mousetraps 2-pack. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Let me show you how easy these are to work. This comes in this box, and it's about 7 inches by 3 inches, maybe 3 inches tall by 2.5 inches wide, so not very large at all. Let me size it up next to a normal water bottle. You can see how big it is. So it's made out of plastic, green plastic. It's kind of dark. You can see through there, but it's not perfectly clear, you know, but you can see through there no problem. The age-old question when it comes to mouse hunting, is it Jif or is it Skippy? I don't know. Let me show you how easy it is to bait this trap. This is the bait compartment right here. You just pull this off, fill it up with whatever you want. You could use peanut butter. You could use cheese, string cheese like I've used here. Maybe one of those little wedges of cheese like from the Silly Cow that makes the wedges of cheese. They're soft cheese. Mice like soft cheese. So simple as that. Put the cheese in, turn this thing upside down, snap it into place, set the trap. That's it. You're done. Easy as that. There are 2 places in my home where mice enter. I've got this little crack in the door here that I've tried to shore up. But if they're going to come into my house, they're going to come in through the front. So I'm going to place this trap, this baited trap right here. Just right here. It's out of the way. Next to the door, I've got it set up. Just press my finger in there. Now it's loaded up and ready to go. So when the mouse comes through the door right there, maybe the first thing he smells is that cheese. And the second place they enter my house is through my back patio, through the crack in this door once it's closed. So what I've done is I'm going to set it right here, right by the door here. I got it set in place. Just press it down, and we're good. The mouse comes in, makes a left turn, gets caught in the trap, and I can take him out in the backyard, wait way out in the backyard, and let him go. Pretty simple. You put your bait in there, you load it up, you snap this into place. The mouse is going to come through here, and when he gets onto this little platform right here, the weight of the mouse is going to close the trap door shut, and once the trap door is shut, he's stuck inside of there. In order to release the mouse, pretty simple. You can either push the trap door back down or open up this side or both, and he can go out either way he wants. And you got a place to transport the mouse. You know, while he's inside of there, you can transport him out into the woods or wherever you want to take him. And, you know, once you're there, you just pull the thing up and let him walk out and let him go. But what a cool design. I think this is a great design. And tell you what, I've read some stuff. Honestly, it looks easy to me to clean. Really, if you had it's easy. You could get a bottle brush in there. You could run this thing under the sink. Doesn't look that hard to clean at all. I can almost get my hands all the way through there, you know, if I wanted to get some kind of a baby wipe or something in there. Easy enough to do, but pretty awesome. If you're looking for a modern humane mousetrap, check out this one by Trazon. 2-pack. Check it out.